Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by researching keywords using Wix's SEO tools and external keyword planners. Build a seed list of 5 to 10 keywords including long-tail phrases and location modifiers. Prioritize one primary keyword per page and 2 to 3 secondary keywords. Check approximate monthly search volume and user intent before finalizing each keyword. Avoid keyword stuffing and aim for natural language relevance in headings and paragraphs. Revisit the list quarterly to adapt to trends and performance data and update pages accordingly. Open your Wix dashboard and go to Marketing Tools, then SEO to manage site-wide metadata. Edit the site title to include your primary keyword within 50 to 70 characters for best display. Write a site description that contains the primary keyword and stays under 160 characters for search results. Add 5 to 10 keyword phrases in the SEO keyword field for site-level signals and broader relevance. Customize the homepage URL slug to include a keyword when appropriate and enable Google indexing. Use Wix Preview to check title and description on mobile and desktop. For each page, open SEO settings and set a unique page title and meta description that include target keywords. Put the primary keyword in the H1 heading and use secondary keywords in H2 headings and first paragraph. Name image files descriptively and add alt text with keywords, for example, product shoe red. JPG and read running shoe for accessibility and SEO value. Keep meta descriptions under 160 characters and titles under 70 characters for optimal display. Submit your sitemap to Google Search Console after publishing the changes and track performance weekly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.